What's up everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to customize your checkout page on Shopify. So first of all you need to have an account on Shopify to set up your Shopify store, which is very easy. You only need your account and your email and password to sign in and create an account. And once you create an account on Shopify, this is the page that you will land on. So you have many settings to continue and finish in order to fully finish customizing and editing your online store. However, we will not go through all of them. What we need to do is create a product. So in order to have a checkout page, you need to have at least one product in your Shopify store. So let's add a product from here, and you can also go to products here and click and add your product. And you can also import products from other sites, to dropship them, like from CJ Dropshipping and other dropshipping websites. However, for now, we want to just add our product manually. So let's say basic t-shirt, okay, and you can add a description. So this is a basic t-shirt, okay. You can add media like images of the product. You can add the category is generated automatically. You can approve it, and you can edit the product type, the vendor, collections tag, and so on, and the pricing. So let's upload a new photo, just any random photo. I know this is not for a hoodie, but this is just a random photo just to show you how to add a product. And add the price and compare at price. So let's say £50, compare at price 50 also. Cost per item 30 to add a profit margin. Track item shipping, okay, looking good. Now let's save it. Okay, that was a quick overview on how to create a product. Now once you create a product, what you want to do is to customize the checkout page. So let's have a look at our online store here. You can click on the icon next to it. So that's our store and that's our product. Let's go back here, and this time we want to click on online store, not the eye. And the steps that I'm going to show you will be applicable on basically any theme that you are working with. Here I have the Dawn, which is the default theme that you get once you create your account. However, you have many themes, free themes to choose from, but the procedure is almost the same. However, let's do it on the DOM theme for now. So let's click on customize. And here, the easiest way to go to the checkout page is to go here, the pages, the drop down menu. And from here, you want to go to checkout. So go to checkout here. And this is the view that you get here. And it says that checkout page cannot be edited using sections. You can go to the pages, the theme settings here to customize your this page. So go to theme settings, and you can also click on the settings icon here to go to theme settings. So here we can go to checkout, scroll down to find checkout, and you can edit here all the info the banner. You can add a banner. Let's here okay, just needed to edit the inventory to make sure it's in stock, so it doesn't give me the message out of stock message. Okay, now here we are in the checkout page. You can add here the settings. You can add a banner. You have the banner settings. You can select an image to add as your banner or explore free images. So let's explore free images. Okay, let's select any image just for this video. And once you select it here, it is applied to your banner. However, how it is applied is often not accurate. So let's go with this one. It is scaled up in a weird way. Okay, and it sometimes take moments to load and change the image. So here we need to click on this one. Let's click on it again and wait for it to load up. Okay, it seems it's stuck somewhere. So let's keep the one that we chose, that just to show you. And let's go back here to close this one. And here you have for the logo options, you can select a logo that will appear here, and you can select also, you can upload an image or select from free images. So let's select free image, just show you, and let's select this one. Okay. And it will take a moment. However, it will appear here as a logo in the banner. And you can also click to edit it. And you can click here to change it if you change your mind. Okay, it doesn't appear for some reason. However, it should appear right here in the banner. And you can also change the position, like make it on the center, the left, and on the right. And the logo size can be small, medium, or large. Now, the main content area here, you can select an image to be the background, and you can select the background color. So let's change the background color here. And it should load up. This one. Okay. Okay, seems like the settings don't want to apply on the page for some reason. However, I will show you the settings and then see maybe something is wrong with my internet connection. Now, for the main body here, you can like change the background color, add an image, and the form fields, which are the fields that you enter your email, your mobile number, your country, your name, your address, and so on. You can make the background white or transparent. You can choose a background image for the order summary or a background color. So let's choose like a red one, a light pink one for the like the order summary here, which is this section on the right here. And for the headings, you can choose the font here. You have many fonts to choose for the heading. And for the body, for the main body, you can choose also a font for the ident here. And the colors, you have the color accents, you have the buttons, you can change the color of the buttons. And you can also change the errors, like an error message, any error message that you get, you can change the color. And you have the custom CSS if you want to edit some coding. Here you can do it from here. And once you are happy with all your settings, let's go back to checkout. Once you are happy with all your settings, your checkout settings, you can click on save here to save your settings. So that was like a quick overview on how to edit like the checkout page on your Shopify store.